Okay, David Paul here. Just a quick sort of campfire recipe method of cooking Spag Bol. Well, first of all, let's just talk about the heater. On here, I'm going to go to the bar and have a couple of beers. But on here, I've got this is a, what do you call, a wood-fired biomass stove. And it's good, but it's a sod to keep going because it burns in big flashes, and then you have to keep stoking it again, relighting it. It doesn't have a lot of fuel in it. So if you watch it all the time and keep feeding it, you're okay. But anyway, this here is my method, which I've just tested, and it's come out just dandy. I know it's going to be delicious. That is, just pull it into the sun where you can see it. It's my version of spaghetti bolognese. I don't like spaghetti bolognese. I like what I call spring bolognese. You got these coils of pasta material, and what you do is you cook it as if it was spaghetti bolognese, but you do it using these, and that way, in awkward situations like sitting around campfires and stuff, where you want things to work conveniently, you can just shovel that into your mouth, and you don't have to have strings of it hanging all over the place. Okay, so what you do, you get your mince, you estimate the amount of water that you're going to need in order to cook the pasta, and you know that from experience how much you put in the pan, and you can top it up later if you don't put enough in. I got it exactly right. Put that in the water, in the pan, that's the water, and boil it as though you're going to make pasta. Then throw in the mince. Then throw in the spaghetti bolognese sauce and bring it up to the boil so that the mince cooks beforehand. Then toss in your pasta and then boil it as if you were going to cook pasta in a pan of boiling water. And at the end of it, you'll end up with this. So you don't pour off the water, it just ends up in the food. But it comes out all right. Now, it uses less water because you're not throwing any away, and it's all just done in one pot. So I think this is a method I'm going to stick with forever. I'm into this idea of one pot cooking. I've got to simplify my life, and yet at the same time I've got to eat a balanced, nutritious diet. So this seems to be a way forward. Flies all over the damn place here. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So there's my lunch. Eat some lunch, take a shower, and off to the bar. And that's that. So God be with Jesus be with you. See you later. Bye.